Hello, my name is Kolja Kühnlens and I'm the Academic Program Director of our new study program in Automation and Robotics. What's special about our new study program in Automation and Robotics is that we combine electrical engineering, which is very sought after internationally, with computer science in the field of automation and robotics in the higher semesters. In Germany, universities of applied sciences have a strong practical background and a strong cooperation with many industrial companies in the region and beyond. It's very common that students take part in collaborative projects with local companies. So usually they start with a practical semester and then afterwards do their bachelor thesis in the same project. Our university is one of the smaller universities in Germany, and the ratio of professors to students is very attractive. We understand ourselves, we professors, more like coaches rather than supervisors. So we like to really work together with you as a student on the same level, which is very stimulating also for ourselves.